Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nermeen. I'm a PhD student in nutrition and dietetics. I've been teaching at Faculty of Pharmacy since 2018 till now. I've been teaching two subjects. First one food chemistry and second one is nutrition science. I created this channel in order to share some helpful health information. So if you would like to improve your health based on latest research or gain more knowledge from scientific perspective, so here's the right place. In today's video, we are gonna talk about the importance of estrogen and its effects on metabolism and what's the relationship between estrogen and weight loss. So let's get started. If you are a woman over 40 and you feel like your body stopped cooperating, you are eating the same, you are moving the same, but your weight keeps going up, that's not your fault. That's not your metabolism slowing down for no reason. There is a specific reason why this is happening, and it comes down to estrogen. In today's video, I'm gonna explain exactly why estrogen loss during menopause makes your body store more fat, especially around your belly. And we're gonna talk about something called AMPK. Once you understand what it does, everything is gonna make more sense. I promise. No confusing science, just simple explanation. So here we go. Think of AMPK as your body's energy manager. Imagine your cells have a switch inside them. When energy is low, that switch flips on. And when it's on, your body says, it's time to burn fat. It's time to make energy. So let's go. That switch is AMPK. Now let's move on to the most important question that everyone waits for getting the answer. Why our body burns less fat and gains more weight during menopause? Let's break that down. To be honest, estrogen plays a major role in activating and increasing AMPK. Keep that in your mind. We have something called malonyl CoA, which is the building block of making you fat and the blocker of fat entry into mitochondria. And think of mitochondria as a furnace. So when estrogen activates AMPK, AMPK reduces malonyl CoA. So the less malonyl CoA is made, the less fat, the less new fat is synthesized. And also, when malonyl CoA is reduced, the fat burning path will be activated. And the function or the role of fat burning path is relieving the block on fat entering mitochondria. So the gate of furnace, which is mitochondria, opens and more fat enters mitochondria in order to get burned. Also, AMPK suppresses the fat factory path, which controls the expression of all fat-making genes and be switched off. And the fat factory path is activated by insulin. So that's why high insulin triggers fat production in the liver. And also, I mentioned in my previous video why, the high level of insulin in your blood will make your body store more fat because insulin is considered as a storage hormone. So the more insulin you have, the more fat will be stored in your body. The recap is AMPK hires fat burning path, AMPK fires fat factory path. And that leads to less triglycerides, less fatty liver, less belly fat. During menopause, estrogen drops, AMPK drops, so the more fat will be built, the less fat will be burned. And that explains why a lot of women during menopause notice that more belly fat, less energy expenditure, easier weight gain, and less efficient fat burning. So now I guess that the question of why your body stores more fat during menopause compared to your younger years has been answered perfectly. And now let's move on to the last part. We are going to talk about estrogen and bad cholesterol. So, have you ever wondered why your cholesterol suddenly spikes after 40 or 45, even your diet didn't change? What is the relationship between LDL and estrogen? Let's break that down. Your liver has many of estrogen receptors. When estrogen enters the liver cells, it binds those receptors. Once binds to those receptors, it turns on the gene of LDL receptor. So estrogen is the building block of LDL receptor. And think of LDL receptor like vacuum. So the more LDL receptors you have, the more vacuums will be installed on your liver. The faster LDL clearance from the blood. So your arteries stay clean. During menopause, when estrogen drops, LDL receptors decrease, LDL rises. So that explains why women during menopause are prone to clots. We reached the end of our today's video. We shed some light on the importance of estrogen and why we call it metabolic hormone, not just sex hormone. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you learned something new that could benefit your health and your loved ones' health. And if you have any suggestions for upcoming videos, please leave a comment down below and give this video thumb up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to gain more knowledge from scientific perspective. See you in my next video. Bye bye.